a haul that I got from my grandma and from my tita. So, sabi ko noon, I will stop buying things na, you know, hindi ko naman ganun kakailangan because I need to pay for my tuition fees. But yeah, I'm such a lucky girl with a loving grandma and tita. So, yes, I will just share the things that I got from them. So, yeah, I hope you will enjoy. And if you're a first timer here in this channel, please subscribe and like this video. And yeah, madami pang lalabas na video. So, wait ka lang dyan, girl. Kalma ka lang. So, yeah, let's start with the video. So, what I got is this paper bag. Tsaka meron pa doon. So, I will just start with the cosmetics. Tsaka Victoria's Secret. Pero feeling ko wala atang Victoria's Secret dito. So, I will just pick random things. So, the first one that I got is this Lancome, I guess. Lancome blush. Saddle in the shade Rose Fresque. So, ito lang. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong maliliit kasi, nagagamit ko siya pag nagta-travel. So, this is the shade. Ayan. So, parang peachy something. Carnation pink. Parang ganun. And moving on to this lip gloss here. Ayan. I have 4 kasi binigyan na ni tita ko sa kapatid ko tsaka sa girlfriend ng kapatid ko yung ibang lip glosses. So, I have 4 from Hard Candy Shimmer Gloss from ano ba to? From Sassy Girl, I think. From Sassy Girl. So, I have the pink one and the violet with the white one. I don't know what that's the shade. And pink and the white one. So, I have 4. Ayan. So, ayan sila. Hindi ko din magagamit to lahat. So, maybe I will just give away na lang itong iba. So, yeah. That's good for that. Tsaka, ito, wala siyang shade, I think. Parang shimmer siya sa lahat. Parang gloss lang talaga siya. And moving on, dito naman sa, ano na to. And for the next one is this, Sassy Girl Liquid Eyeliner. I have the blue one and the gold one. Ito yung mga parang may glitters. So, nabigay na rin ni tita ko yung iba sa kapatid ko. Hindi ko alam kung nakanino yung black or something. And, of course, I have, what is this? This is the Jordana Lip Liner. Ayan, nagamit ko na to actually. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-feature sa haul ko. Nagamit ko na to sa isang video ko. And yeah, very good to yung ano niya. Hindi ko na siya review kasi hindi ko alam kung may ganito sa Philippines kung saan tayo makakabili ng ganito kasi binigay lang din naman niya. It's in the shade Mulberry. So, ayan. Let's go to the things that I got from my grandma. Actually, the blush is from my grandma. So, and the first one that I got from her is this mirror. Ayan. This is a San Francisco. Ayan, San Francisco mirror. Ganyan. And double ano lang siya. Ooh, sorry. Ayan, basta. Ganyan lang siya. Kailangan ko yan kasi, you know, hindi ko masyadong nagdadala ng powder or anything. Moving on to this one. This is the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. 5 Lash Transforming Benefits. I think this is the new mascara from Revlon. Tsaka meron silang iba. Ayan, may pangalan pa. To Joy, eto na hinihingi mo. Ayan, mascara, volume, length, definition, lift, and I will just make a review with the performance of this product. Kung maganda ba siya kasi madami akong nakitang review. Tsaka nakita ko siya sa magazine. Parang lumabas lang siya ngayong summer. Indeed. And next one are these Sassy Girls. Sabi ko nga, gustong-gusto ko yung mga sample size. Kaya siguro binigay itong grandma ko. Kasi nadadala ko siya sa travel. Ayan, so I have an eyeshadow in the sample size. This is a Sally Girl eyeshadow in the shade Rose. Ayan, in the shade Rose. And another one in the shade Soft Pink. I will just make a close-up. Ano na lang. And the eyeshadow in the shade Purple Passion and eyeshadow in the shade Electric Blue. So, I'm excited to use this. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial ng yung parang mga pang-Halloween. Not really the scary one. Parang yung mga cartoon character, ganyan. Kasi I'm more on that na pag-makeup kaysa yung pampagandang makeup. Kasi yun, at least, kahit mali-mali yung ginagawa mo, alam mo, ganun talaga yung kakalabasan. Kesa naman dun sa makeup na talagang, you know, yung pang baba boom. I really can't do those things. But for the parang yung mga pang costume party, I can do those. So let me know. Please put or comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto nyo na makita na tutorial, and I will try my best to do those. Moving on to this one, this is a color design in the shade 350 out with a bang matte. Ayan. Oh, this is from Lancome ba to? Or Elizabeth Arden? Lancome ate, yung may flower. So, look guys, parang matte siya, tapos violet talaga. Violet. It reminds me of my dorm din when I was still in college. If you're from NLAC, alam niyo kung sino yun. Hello po ma'am! Ayan. And the last one that I got from my grandmother dito sa cosmetics is my favorite, all-time favorite makeup remover from Lancome. Ayan. So, Lancome nga yun. Ito siya kasi ito talaga, wala talagang sting na nangyayari. So, if you've seen my Everbilena review, you know what I'm talking about. Why, you know, ayaw ka ng mga ganong product. Let's move on to the Andes. Ang awkward lang ipakita kasi si grandma ko talaga, she's into Andes talaga. Nagbibigay siya ng Andes. And this is from Wish and Whim. Look at it, guys. So, sobrang cute niya talaga. Sobrang cute. Ayan. Gusto ko yung may lace na ganyan. Kasi, although hindi ko siya magagamit for the duty, pero paglalabas. Kasi, eto tandaan nyo girls. Sa tagal kong nag-i-stay na sa hospital, lalo na sa ER, when you go out, always wear the best bra and the best panty. Kasi you'll never know what will happen to you. Yung iba, di ba, na aksidente. Siyempre, ginubunting namin yung mga pantalon nyo, mga skirt nyo, ganyan. So, tsaka yung iba, yung mga tipong nahimatay. So, or nag-chest pain, kailangan may ECG. So, you should be wearing that glamorous underwear. So, yun. Yun lang yung may bibigay kong tip. And the next one here is this Christie's. Ayan. Gusto ko itong mga ganitong panty kasi wala siyang tahe dito sa side niya. So, ano lang. Tapos, ang soft talaga niya. Very, very soft. And, of course, I have white one from Christie's again. Alam kasi ni grandma ko, I need white. And, of course, another lacy panty. Look at that. Woo! At meron pa siyang nakasulat. Rose all day. Rose all day. I don't know what is the meaning of that. And for the last one here in this haul video is, of course, the most expensive. Gulat talaga ako nung binigay ito ni tita ko. Naiyak ako tumanggap ng mga ganitong bagay. Pero, sige na nga. Ayan. This is the Michael Kors na bag. And, nakita na ito ng iba ng mga classmates ko like that. So, I will just share it with you guys. Ito siya. Tapos, meron siyang sling and meron din siyang hand, ano ba tawag ito? Basta, yung handheld, very sturdy siya. Ayan siya, bengaloo. Pero kailangan mo siyang i-close niya. So, yeah, I'm really loving this one. At meron pa siyang mga, what you call that, metal parts here. Parang hindi siya nag-agas. So, yeah. So, that's all for my haul video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Although, konti lang yung shinare ko ngayon. And most of the items here are not available here in the Philippines. If you have an Instagram, please follow me at Joy of Mia and like my Facebook page. Kasi I will be doing a giveaway soon. Very, very soon. So, ayan. I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!